Good morning, sir.
Yes, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, yes, Abhigna Shetty. What were we doing in the last class, madam?
So we finished 9.4 exercise.
Completely over?
Yes, sir. We have to start miscellaneous.
Any problem given for assignment?
Yes, sir. Three were given.
Three were given.
Yes, sir.
Done. Did you finish solving them?
Who, sir? Me?
Yeah, you
No,
only.
sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
No, na. ಯಾಕೆ busy ನಾ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ತಾನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದು? Okay, right. Okay, everyone. Now we will start with miscellaneous exercise. Okay, just you know examples there are four examples. We'll do it later. Okay, so start with miscellaneous examples. Fine, shall we do it like this? You will copy the sum later. Shall I start explaining the sum? Shall we keep this procedure for today's class? You will
Yes.
copy the sum later and you will concentrate on listening to the explanation rather than copying the sum. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akshara.
Sir,
Okay, ma. First problem. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? Show
ha
that
sir.
the m plus sum of m plus nth term ಆಮೇಲೆ
And m minus nth term.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Okay, sum of which term?
M plus nth term and m
Of
minus
AP or GP?
of AP.
Of AP. Okay. ಈಗ what is the formula of Tn, Akshara?
A plus n minus 1 into D.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ what they are giving you is Tm plus n. Correct na?
Ha sir.
So where will the changes take place?
In n minus 1 sir.
One second. Yeah. Now the same formula will be rewritten as A plus m plus n minus 1 into D.
Yes sir.
That is m plus nth term. What is the next term?
M minus nth term.
So A plus m minus n multiplied by D.
Yes sir.
What is that they're asking?
Is equal to the twice the nth.
No. Twice. Okay. First, when you add up these two terms, Tm plus n plus A m minus n, right? Let me just see what happens when I add this. When I add up these two, so this is going to be 2a, a plus a will be 2a.
Yes sir.
One second, I missed it here. In these two, d is common.
Yes
That
sir.
means I can add up these two.
Yes sir.
M plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Is it okay?
Ha sir.
2a ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಣ. What get cancels here?
N and n.
That's it,
sir.
right?
Yes sir.
Okay, now m plus m.
2m
minus 1
minus
1
2.
minus 2. That's it, right?
Yes sir.
What is common in these two?
2 sir.
Shall I write like this?
Yes sir.
What is common once again from these two?
4.
No. In these two, what is common, ma?
2 sir.
2 is common. So a plus m minus 1 multiplied by d. That's okay?
Yes sir.
Akshara, can you just tell me what is this?
Plus
ಈ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
TM sir.
TM. This represents the m term alva. So can I just write this as twice TM?
Yes sir.
Is this the required condition?
Yes sir.
Yes. If you have understood, please make a note. Not just to Akshara. If everyone has understood this, please make a note. And if not, please come back and you can ask me any doubts.
Sir,
Yes, Amrut.
ಸರ್ NCERT 9.4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಮ್ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ.
Which two?
ಒಂದು
Second sum, right?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ
Ah,
ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್.
no problem. We'll come back.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಒನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ 1 or 2 pages ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Then you can start with this.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
No, you could have reminded that actually.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
sir, next time shall I discuss, sir?
Oh yes, of course. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ. We'll discuss. All of you please mention the next number. See, I expect everyone to not to copy the sum and listen to the explanation. That's it. Okay. Yes, Tanushree. What is given, Tanushree? If the sum of three numbers in AP is 24.
And their product is
Tanushree.
440.
Yeah, ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ Tanushree ಅದನ್ನ?
So A minus D, A plus D.
Exactly. ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. If there is 3 terms of AP, ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? If 4 terms of AP, how to take it? So how do you take the 3 terms?
A minus D, A plus D.
So these 3 terms will be in AP alva. So what is given?
Sum of three numbers is 24.
So these 3 numbers is 20.
24.
24 ಆದ್ರೆ, so D and D cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3A is equal to 24 ಆದ್ರೆ, what's the value of A will be?
8, sir.
Okay. What else has been given, Tanushree?
Their product is 440, sir.
Product ಅಂದ್ರೆ A minus D
A minus
into
D.
A into A plus D is given as.
440.
What is A minus D into A plus D?
A square minus the D square.
Is equal to 440.
440. Yes, sir.
Do you know the value of A already?
Yes, sir.
So 8 into 8 square minus D square
D square.
is equal to 440.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible to cancel this from 8? Can you please check?
55, sir.
55, right?
Yes.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ D square is equal to 64 minus 55 ಅಂತ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Is that correct? Everyone please check and tell me. ಎಷ್ಟವಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
9, sir.
So D square equal to 9 ಆದ್ರೆ D equal to 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಏನ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter, ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ A and D ಸಿಕ್ತು. So shall we find out the 3 numbers?
Yes, sir.
Therefore the numbers are, okay, A minus D, A plus D. So 8 minus 3 ಆಮೇಲೆ 8 and 8 plus 3, ಓಕೆನಾ? So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 5
5,
11.
11.
ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 8 is 8 minus of minus 3, then it's going to be 8, then 8 minus 3. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 11, 8, 5. Same sequence in reverse order ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ?
Yes, sir.
So it doesn't matter when if you take plus or minus. So it's okay. If I take plus also, it's fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Samrudh, you can. All of you type number 3 if you are done with this. Okay, I think Samrudh said you want to discuss the next. Okay, yes, Samrudh.
So they've given sum of n, 2n and 3n terms of an
ಈಗ
APB
ಫಸ್ಟ್
is
ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ಅದೇನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ
2n and 3.
ನಾನು ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ SN S2n S3n ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ S1 ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ
N terms, yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ S1 is equal to n/2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let me take this as equation 1. Tell me S2.
2n by 2.
2n by 2.
2a plus 2n minus 1 into d.
ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ n into
N,
2a plus n minus 1 into d ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ.
yes, sir.
Okay, what is S3?
It's the 3n by 2.
So 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus
3n
1
minus
multiplied
1
by
into
d. Let me take this as equation 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is given there, man?
So, sir, they have asked to prove that S3
S3 equal to 3 times
Three-
S2 minus S1. Now S2 minus S1 ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
the 2n minus 1, sir. 2, sir. Equation 2.
Okay, fine. Now consider S2 minus S1. I'm going to start from this one.
Yes, sir.
What is S2 here?
S2 is n, 2a plus 2n minus 1 in
Minus this. Correct now?
n by
N by
2.
2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall I take n by 2 common? N by 2 common ತೆಗ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this becomes
2n.
twice.
2. Yes, sir.
Correct,
Yes,
no?
sir. 2. Yes, sir.
So twice 2a plus 2n minus 1 multiplied by t. Okay,
T.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Minus 1.
minus 2a minus
Yes, sir.
n
2a
minus
plus
1 into d.
d. Yes, sir.
Okay, let us ನೋಡೋಣ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So what happens to this? 4a
4a
plus
plus
4n
4n
into d.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, minus 2d.
Yes, sir.
2 ಮತ್ತೆ d ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now this will be minus 2a plus minus nd
nd
plus
plus d.
That's okay, I guess.
Yes, sir.
2a 4a minus 2a.
2a.
Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ
Sir, plus 4nd minus nd.
no one is
3n.
okay, plus how much this is going to be?
3nd.
No, 4 minus 1, right?
And yes, sir. 3nd.
Sorry, yeah, that's fine. On ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Shall we take in all this d common ತೆಗ್ದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ?
Yes, sir.
Except ಇದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
Yes,
e
sir.
common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ this will be 4n minus 2 minus n plus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay pa, so n by 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. 2a plus d ನು
Yes.
ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ. 4n
3n.
minus n
3n minus 1.
1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Samruddhi, bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Is sorry,
That
the
is-
whole thing what I have here is this equation number 3.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ can I just write it as S3?
Yes, sir.
So but ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನೋ
Sir, 3 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. into 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 3n ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ.
No, one second. 3n is there, no?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇಂಟು 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಂಟು 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Into 3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 3n ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
No problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. One step is there that I cannot explain here. Okay, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Therefore 3 times S2 minus S1 is equal to, so this becomes 3n by 2 2a plus 3n minus 1 multiplied by 3. That is nothing but S3. Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ -2a ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ?
ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದು ಸರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿರೋದು.
ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ.
4a minus 2a ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್
ಎಸ್ ಸುಜಲ್,
n/2 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಂತು ಸರ್?
ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n/2 ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, n ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳೇ, ಈಗ n ಅಲ್ಲಿ n/2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? 1 minus 1/2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
1/2 ಸರ್.
1/2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವು? LCM ತಗೊಂತೀರಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಇದೆರಡರಲ್ಲೂ n ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು n/2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಡನ್ ದಟ್?
ಓ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, complete and type number 4. Yes, Sujal, you can. Type number 4, everyone. Okay, so number 4 ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, find the sum of all numbers between 200 and 400 which is divisible by 7. Okay, Sujal, which is the first number after 200 which is divisible by 7?
Sir, 203.
Okay, the next number?
210.
Okay, the next number?
217.
If I keep continuing, what will be the last number? Mr. Sujal, what will be the last number?
Sir, 399.
Right. These are the numbers which are divisible by 7. Right. Sujal, how to check whether it's an AP or a GP now? How to check it's an AP? Because now AP ಏನು mention ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
D, sir.
We have to find out whether it's an AP. Correct? Now, how do you check it's an AP?
Sir, common difference.
ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ?
Sir, second term minus first term.
Yeah, 210 minus 203 is equal to 7. ಆಮೇಲೆ
217 minus 210.
So what we are getting is a common difference. Okay.
7.
Therefore, the sequence is an AP. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Where A is equal to
203.
common difference
7.
and Tn is equal to
399.
But do we know the number of terms here, Sujal?
No, sir.
So how do you find the number of terms?
Sir, Tn value.
Let's use the formula of Tn. Okay, so we know that 3n is equal to 399 and the value of Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 399. What's the value of A?
203.
203 plus n minus 1 into the common difference 7 is equal to 399. Okay. 399 minus 207. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, 196.
196. Correct?
Yes, sir.
7 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅದು?
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ sir?
How many times it goes from 7?
28, sir.
28. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ can I take n is equal to 29?
Yes, sir.
ನಾವೀಗ n ಗೊತ್ತು, tn ಗೊತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Sum of the
Sum of, right? What's the formula
Yes,
to
sir.
find out the sum?
A into 1 minus, sorry, n by 2 into 2a.
Idu
Sir, you can
ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
use another formula, sir.
ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ.
Okay, sir.
ಇದು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಬೋದು because ನಾನು tn ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I can use this also.
Yes, sir.
Anything is fine. So n is 29 by 2, a is 203 and tn is 399. Correct? So
Yes.
29 by 2. ಇದೆರಡು add ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋ.
Sir, 5602.
2 in the how many times this goes? 301. Correct? 29 multiplied by 301. Can you tell me the value?
8729.
8729. Okay, fine. Note down. So if everything is okay, all of you can make a note of this. Yeah, Shanmukh, you can discuss the next. Type number 5 once you finish writing this. Akshara avre nimge ಒಂದು suggestion ನಾನು explanation ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. Not just to Akshara, to everybody. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಾದರ್ ದನ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಲಿಸನ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. Type number 5 once you finish writing this. Okay, Shanmukh said you want to discuss. Yes, Shanmukh, you can come up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Shanmukh, what is the rough sketch of solving this?
Sir, they asked to find the sum of integers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 or 5.
Okay. What are the integers which are divisible by 2 or 5 from 1 to 100?
Sir, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
These
12.
are integers divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
Next.
10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
That is 5.
40,
That is 5. Integers divisible by 5. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you do now?
So we can take only the integers which are divisible by 2 and 5, means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, sir, and then
Correct.
we find the common difference between them, and then find the Tn, and then find the sum, sir.
Okay.
Find number of terms and then find the sum. How we did the last one.
But how do you find the final sum?
So first we need to find the Tn, sir, number of terms.
Of which one? First tell me the sequence.
Sequence is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
That's all the
70,
sequence
80,
you're going to consider?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you're almost close, actually, but not exactly. But let me just explain this. I'm going to discuss with you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What are the numbers from 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
1 second. Divisible by 2. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, so on up to
100.
So 100 is also included. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
This is the first thing. And in this, let me find out the number of terms because I want to find out the sum. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So I know that Tn is equal to, yes, 100, right? So that
Yes, sir.
means A plus n minus 1 into
1
D is
into D.
equal to 100.
100.
So that's going to be 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 100. Common difference will be 2 here.
Yes, sir.
So n minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 98, or
98.
n minus 1 is equal to 49, or n is equal to 50. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. For this, let me find out the sum. Okay.
Okay.
So let me just go for sum. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus tn. So this will be 50 by 2 multiplied by 2 plus 100. That's okay. This is
Yes, sir.
25. 25 multiplied by 102. Can you just tell me the product?
2550. 2550.
2550. That's okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is sum of the number divisible by 2. I will repeat the same procedure for sum of the number divisible by 5. 5, right? Okay. Now,
10.
what are the numbers divisible by 5? From
10.
1 to 100.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Hey.
Sir, 5, 10, 15.
5.
5, 10, 15, 200.
Okay. So, can you find out Tn?
Yes, sir.
So, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 100. So, that is 5 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 100.
200.
So, n minus
95.
1 by 5 is equal to 95.
95.
How many times? It's okay, Shanmugh?
Yes, sir. 19.
Can you
N is
find the
equal to
sum
10.
now?
Yes, sir. N by 2, a plus n minus 1.
N is 20 by 2 multiplied by 5 plus 100. That's
100.
fine. This goes 10 times. 10 multiplied by 105. What's the product?
1050.
1050. The thing is, it's not yet over actually. I got the sum of the number divisible by 2, sum of the number divisible by 5. It has to be continued. I want everyone to please make a note and then I will continue. Come on, complete it. If you have completed this, please say clear. I will continue the remaining part.
Clear, sir.
Okay, Shanmugh, just come up once again. Let us complete this problem,
Sir.
man. Now, I want the numbers divisible by 2 and 5. Divisible by 2 and 5.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, Shanmugh?
Yes, sir.
I will tell you the concept later on. It's just a rough sketch which is going on. Full concept I will tell you. Okay. That you have to wait till I finish this example. Now, remember these two sums actually. This you need it later. For this also, let's find out the sum. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I just take Tn is equal to 100?
Yes, sir.
So 10 plus
plus
n minus 1 into 10 is equal to 100.
Yes, sir.
N minus 1 by 10 is equal to 90. Right.
N is equal to
N
10.
minus 1 equal to 9 or n is equal to 10.
10.
Let me find the sum. Sum. N by 2 into a plus tn. That's going to be 10 by 2 into 10 plus 100. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
5 multiplied by 110. Will it be 550?
Yes, sir.
Shanmugh, in set theory, can you tell me the formula of n of A union B?
Set theory. Yes. N A plus.
You've forgotten.
Yes, sir.
I know. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Sum of the numbers divisible by 2. sum of the numbers divisible by 10, sorry, divisible by 5, but there are certain numbers which are divisible by both.
Yes, sir.
You know what we have to do exactly now? The required sum.
We should take it into
Sum
set
of the number divisible by 2. How much you got it?
2550.
2550.
Zero.
Sum of the numbers divisible by 5.
1050.
Sum of the numbers divisible by both.
550.
It is similar to the formula of set theory. Is that clear, mister?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I suggest is don't write like this actually. This is I just gave an example. Okay, this is how your required sum should look like. Hope everyone
Okay.
has understood this. Please mention yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Last only statement ಬರಿಬೇಕು proper ಆಗಿ. The required sum is. ಇದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ rough sketch ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, how you got it? I'm giving you an idea. That's it. Okay, so the required sum will be this much.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Shanmu.
Sir, 3050, sir.
Yes, sir.
3050, sir, answer.
3050. Yes, Neha, we will discuss. Excuse me. Excuse me. Please mention number 6 once you finish writing.
Sir, class is till 9 o'clock, sir.
Yes, sir. Any problem, sir?
No, sir, I just.
ಏನಕ್ರಿ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಬೇಗ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಬ್ಬಾ, ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ, ಒಂದು 9:30 ವರೆಗೂ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್?
No problem, sir.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. Ask them once, ಪಾಟೀಲ್.
ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದೇ ಡೈಲಾಗು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಾಗ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಪಾಟೀಲ್?
ಎಸ್.
ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ. ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋರು ಕುತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ,
ಇದು ಕಲಿಯುಗ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಲಿಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಳಿಕಾಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ರೇ ಸುಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇನೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೇಹಾ ಸೆಡ್ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ನೇಹಾ ಅವರೇ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ?
ನಾವ್ ಆಚರಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
Okay, man, no problem. Okay, let's go to problem number 6. Find the sum of all two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್ 13.
Two-digit number ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
10 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and it ends at 99.
Ends at 99. But I don't want all the numbers. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ any two-digit number which on dividing by 4 should leaves me a reminder 1.
Yes sir.
ಆ ತರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳು.
13,
Yes.
then 17.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Amale?
21.
Okay, the next.
So on up to 96, sir.
Are you sure, madam? Hey, 96 4 in the divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ one remainder ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Okay, 97. Sorry, sir.
97. Okay. 4 in the divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ remainder should be 1. Correct?
Sir.
First, let us check now. ನಮ್ಗೆ AP ನೋ GP ನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. First check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Okay. So what's the value of A?
13.
And the common difference?
4.
Of course, 4 ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Right? Okay. And what is TN?
97.
So what is missing?
N, sir.
Number of terms. Correct? No. So let us consider TN. TN is equal to A plus N minus 1 multiplied by T. 97 is equal to 13 plus N minus 1 multiplied by 4. 97 minus 4. Sorry, 97 minus 13.
84.
4 ಇಂದ 84 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
21.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ n is equal to 22 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ?
Yes, sir.
Right. n ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ sum easy ಆಗಿ find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay. So what is the formula to find out the sum?
Less than equal to n by 2 a plus tn.
Right. Now the value of n is 22 by 2.
13 plus
97. Correct. 11 multiplied by how much this will be?
110.
11 multiplied by 110.
1210.
1210. Is this clear? Everybody please mention yes or no.
Yes.
If you understood, please make a note. If you understood, please make a note, everyone. Okay. Mr. Gagandeep, I would like to discuss the next one with you. I called Mr. Gagandeep.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning. When I call you, plus first you come up and say something. No? Huh? Finish writing this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's wait so that everyone can finish this. So what's the
Okay.
next column number, Gagandeep, we are going to discuss?
7th one, sir.
7th one, huh? Okay, discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ. ಸಮೃದ್ಧ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 8:15 and Stalin is entering now. Okay.
ಸರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂತೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೋ ಐಡಿಯಾ.
Come on man. Why he has to text you actually?
He asked me.
Number, right? No, he got my number, right?
Yes sir.
Then no ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there are many students who are entering late actually. ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ಅಗ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 5 minutes 10 minutes 15 ನಾನು 7:45 ವರೆಗೂ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
Yes sir.
It was open only.
Yes sir.
But after that ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ ಗಗನ್ದೀಪ್, ಐ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್?
ಸರ್ ಬರೀ 94 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್, ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾರು ಓದಕ್ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Mr. Stalin. Stalin, can you hear me? Stalin, can you hear me? ಅವ್ರ ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. Okay, right. I said Gagandeep, shall we discuss problem number 7 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gagandeep, tell me Gagandeep, how to solve 7th one?
Sir, even I don't know, sir, that.
Why, sir? Is it difficult?
Sir, they are given f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, function of.
1 second. Mr. Stalin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Why you entered so late, man?
Sir, first I had entered in my laptop, sir. It was signed in my brother's account, sir. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ನೋಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
You know what's the time, man?
Yes, sir, I know.
8:15. And I started my class at
7:30, sir.
and 45 minutes you're delayed.
No, sir, I didn't delay. I had attended your class. Then as soon as I see this, my brother's account, I logged out and I logged in with my phone, sir.
Fine, it's okay. Okay, now Gagandeep, allon condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
Sir, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of.
That's okay?
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Sir, ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ f of 1 is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
That's
sir.
the condition. There is one more condition. Along with this, they have given f of 1 is equal to 3. Then they said something actually. Summation of f of x from where to where?
From x is equal to 1 to n, sir.
This is given as
120.
Okay. ಈ condition expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ Gagandeep? If I expand this condition, how do you write?
Sir, f of
X equal to summation ಅಂದ್ರೆ x equal to 1 2 3 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. When x is 1, f of 1. When x is 2, f of 2. When x is 3, f of 3. Like that, the last term will be f of n. That's okay?
okay, sir.
f of 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೇನ್ರಿ ಅವರು?
Yes, sir. 3.
Have they given f of 2?
Sir, no, sir.
Have they given f of 3?
No, sir.
To find out f of 2, 3 and something, okay, I have to use the condition which what has been given here. So it's a beginning actually. So it's something look like this. Okay. So ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು first f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Okay, sir.
Right. So what they have given is f of x plus y is equal to f of x multiplied by f of y. Let us consider x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
What happens to this one? Will it becomes f of 1 plus 1? That's going to be 2.
Yes,
On
sir.
the right side, can I write it as f of 1 multiplied by f of 1?
Yes, sir.
What is f of 1?
3 into 3. 6,
So what is f of 2? I got it now.
9.
Let me go and find out the value of f of 3. f of 3 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ let me put x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.
Okay, sir.
2 plus 1 is also 3.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter. You can keep x is 2 and y is 1. It doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So what happened to the same condition once again? f of 1 plus 2 will become f of 1 multiplied by f of 2.
Yes, sir.
And that is 3 multiplied by 9. That's going to be 27.
Yes, sir.
You know the f of 3 aitalva. Now this is f of 3 actually. f of 3 is 27. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
If I want f of 4, let me take x equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So
Sir, why?
1 plus
Sir?
3. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, why, sir? We already got now, sir. 3, 9, and 27. It is in GP. We can consider now.
Irli sir. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
Okay, sir.
So that ನಿಮ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Okay, sir.
ಫುಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So tell me, if I want this one, so it's going to be f of 1 multiplied by f of 3. That
Yes,
is 3
sir.
multiplied by 27. That's going to be 81.
Yes, sir.
So what I got here is f of 1 and then consider f of 2, then consider f of 3, so on.
Yes, sir.
What is f of 1? 3. Next, 9. Next, 27. Next 81 and so on, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this a GP?
Yes, sir.
How do you say it's a GP?
Sir, B by A is equal to D by C.
Yeah, Bharatalva, right. It's a GP, correct. Where A is equal to 3 and the common ratio is also going to be 3.
Yes, sir.
So what was missing exactly was f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, something and all, right? These things are missing for me.
Yes, sir.
Find that. Okay, use the condition what has been given here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's not yet over. Still, it has to be continued. If everyone has understood this, please make a note. Otherwise, you can ask me if you have a doubt. Gagandeep, we'll continue after once everyone finished writing.
Yes, sir. Even I should write.
Yeah, I know that. Gnapita, are you present in the session? Gnapita, are you there? Unmute, madam. Madam, can you hear me? ಹಲೋ ಮಿಸ್ ನಾಪಿತ್ ಅವರೇ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ನೀವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now, why you entered at 8:15, madam? Your class was at 7:30, right? And ಅದು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. I was not in a hurry to fix 7:30. Okay, yes, Napita ಅವರೇ, why you entered it so late? No power. ನಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. All of you finished till here. We'll continue with the remaining. Okay, so let me continue with Mr. Gagandeep. Gagandeep.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಗಗನ್ದೀಪ್? Do you know the value of n here?
Sir, no, sir, but we can understand that sum of n terms is equal to
Sum is already been given, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is it's been given as?
120, sir.
This is nothing but Sn, alva?
Yes, sir.
So Sn is given as 120. The formula for Sn?
Sir, a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r.
Correct, right? What's the value of a? A is f of 1, right?
Yes, sir.
It was 3.
3.
3 multiplied by 1 minus 3 to the power n divided by 1 minus 3 is equal to 120.
Yes, sir.
From 3 I can cancel this.
40 times. Yes, sir.
And see, I'm getting a minus sign. So I'm going to take this
3
common.
power minus 1. Yes, sir.
That's okay.
Yes, sir.
So minus minus get cancels. Let me shift 2 to this side.
Yes,
So
sir.
this becomes 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 80. Or 3
Yes, sir.
power n is equal to 81, which can be written as 3 to the power 4. So that is the value of n. Is it correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is our job actually?
So that only, sir. Find the value of n they have given.
Find the value of n. We got it right.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sum is already been given. We got the value. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone complete. And you can mention the next number to discuss. Anybody is ready? Yes, they can let me know.
I'll try, sir.
Yes, Sir Stalin. All of you finish and type the next number. I'm not in a hurry, please understand. Okay, you take your time, everyone finish and then mention it's clear. Okay, now type the next number, then I will start. Don't think that sir is in a hurry to finish everything. No, 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 I'm not in a hurry. Type number 8 if you have finished writing. Okay, so let me start with the next one. So what is given in the 8th problem? Yes, Mr. Stalin, you can start. I asked you. What is given in the 8th sum?
Sir, they have given the sum of some terms of GP as 315, sir.
And then?
SN is 315. And first term is 5, sir.
Okay.
And common ratio is 2, sir.
Right. What we have to find?
We have to find the last term and
Last
the
term
number
is
of
Tn.
terms. Sir?
Last term is Tn.
Tn.
Then?
And number of terms, N, sir.
Number of terms. Okay, Tn and the number of terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What's the formula to find out Sn?
A into 1 minus Rn, R per n by 1 minus R.
Okay.
So we know, sir, 315 is equal to?
Yes, sir, I've written here. You start, continue.
5 into 2 power n.
5 into 2 power n. Sir.
Sir, since 2 is greater than 1, we have to exchange now, sir.
Sir, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ sir, confusion ಬೇಡ sir. ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ formula. I'm not entering the second formula in GP of finding the sum.
Okay, sir.
I don't want to just put everyone in the confusion or trouble by telling two formulas will exist. Both are same only.
Okay, sir.
I told you where it makes a difference.
Yes.
Okay, so remember only one formula, that's enough. Okay. Then continue.
Sir, then we have to shift 5 to the other side, sir.
Okay. So see, if I don't use your second formula, what I will get here, I'm going to get the denominator as negative, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Then once I get a negative, take a negative from numerator also, it's done. Okay. Right. From 5, how many times this goes?
64, sir.
64, right? Are you sure?
63, sir.
Right. So 2 power n is equal to 64. 64 can be written as 2 power 6.
Yes, sir.
So the value of n will be 6. That means the number of terms are 6. What else you want?
The last term, Tn, sir.
Yeah, formula of Tn.
AR n minus 1.
So
AR power n minus 1.
That's okay?
Yes, sir.
5 multiplied by 32.
160, sir.
160. Right. Oh,
Yes.
hope this is correct, everybody. If it's correct, please make a note. As usual, I will say the same dialogue once again. If anybody is able to understand anything from here, you please let me know. I can explain. Yes, Abhigna ಅವರೇ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಮುಕ್ತ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇ ನೇಮ್ ಕರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್. Everyone complete and type number 8. Number 8 ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, in this sum I had a doubt, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
Sir, in the question they are given the sum of some terms of a GP is 315, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Sum of n terms ಅಂತ assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
No, sir, it could be T1 plus T9 plus T10 also, no, sir.
Some terms they are mentioning you number of terms. It can be sum of 2 terms, sum of 3 terms, sum of 4 terms, sum of 5 terms. Like if I go continue, so I will assume the given sum because I don't know the number of terms exactly. I will assume it is n.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let me start with the 8th sum. Yes, Abhigna, tell me, how do you start?
Sir, in the 9th sum, it's given the first term is
The 9th one, madam, we are solving?
yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry, ನಾನು 8th ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Okay, the 9th one. What is being given in the 9th?
Sir, first term a is equal to 1.
Okay, the next.
And for third and fifth, the sum of third term and fifth term is 90. AR square plus
Sum of okay, t first number of terms ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. T4 or T3 na T3 plus T5 is given as 90, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, right. ಏನ್ find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Common ratio, sir.
Common ratio. What's the formula to find out T3?
AR square
T5
AR power 4
is equal to
90.
okay, what's the value of A?
A is 1, sir. So then
Given A is equal to 1 ಆದ್ರೆ R square
R
plus
square
R
plus
power 4 minus 90 equal to 0.
yes, sir.
How do you find out R after this?
Sir, R power 4 na first term first shift ಮಾಡಿ 90 ಇದು quadratic equation ಬರ್ತದೆ -90 power 4 ನ split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Okay, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
R power 4 plus R square minus 90 is equal to 0.
Okay, next.
So minus 90 power 4 10 R square ಮತ್ತೆ 9 R square root ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು. It won't be a quadratic. I should make it quadratic. So let me just go for t is equal to R square. Now this is quadratic. You said quadratic. No. This is a biquadratic. This is not quadratic.
Yes, sir.
We have to convert it to quadratic by using some substitution. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ minus 90. What are the factors?
10 R square and 9 R square.
10 and 9 ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
Yes, sir.
Can I take it minus 10 plus 9?
I took ulta. I took minus 9. Yes, sir. Anything.
Minus 10 plus 9 ತಗೋಬೇಕು madam. ಇಲ್ಲ
okay. Yeah, sir.
Okay, one second. This is plus alva, sorry. Okay, now that's okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the value of t then?
10. 10 square, minus 10 or
ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಸುಮಾರು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ already.
yes, sir.
So everyone has to remember the importance of solving a quadratic equation in one step. Please ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ every time, see, not just one or two, just how many problems in this chapter you just imagine we have done it by using the concept of quadratic. So it's such a kind of thing that it will be there everywhere. So instead of wasting the time by doing regular factorization, you go for the first, you get one step directly. So what's the value of t was?
T is this
R
R square is
equal to minus
10 or 9.
R square is equal to 9.
9. R is
square
plus
equal
or
to minus
minus
10. R equal to
plus or minus 3.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಓ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ?
ರೂಟ್ 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್
ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ,
when you want to leave something you should know why you're leaving that. Okay,
yes sir.
If r square equal to 9, what is r value will be?
Plus or minus 3.
Plus or minus 3. ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Common ratio.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ?
Yes sir.
Is it done?
Yes sir.
Okay, all of you make a note.
Sir, I just opted the lengthier version and I got the same answer, but ತುಂಬಾ lengthy ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನೀವು r ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಹಾಗೆ r ಪವರ್ 4 ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ.
Yes sir.
I know that. Okay, but we should be smart enough ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಈಸಿ.
ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ r power 4 plus r square is equal to 90 ಇದೆ. 90 we can write it as 81 plus 9. So 81 will be 3 power 4 and 9 will be 3 power 2. So r will get it as 3.
ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್.
ಸರ್
ತಪ್ಪು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆತರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ.
ಬಟ್ 3 ನೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ MCQ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಓಕೆ.
Okay, sir.
Samruddh, you want to discuss the next one?
Yes sir, yes sir.
No problem. ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಕರೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಗಗನ್ದೀಪ್ ನೇನೋ ಕರೆದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀವೇ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರೋ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಐ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಸಮೃದ್ಧ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರೋ, ಇದು ಮುಗಿಲಿ ಇರೋ. Yes. Okay, so the next one, problem number 10 alva?
10, yes sir.
The sum of three numbers in GP is 56. How do you take? Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
How do you take?
Sir, we can take it as a plus ar plus ar square.
No.
Oh yes sir, a by r plus a plus r. Yes.
Napka itko.
Yes sir,
Okay.
yes sir. Forgot. Yes.
Sum is given. Andre
Yes. Sir, a by r plus ar is 56.
is equal to 50.
6.
Okay, amale.
And they've given if we subtract 1, 7 and 21 from these numbers in the same order. So a by r minus 1 and a minus 7.
What will
and,
be the, okay, in the same order we obtain.
AP.
So ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀಯ ಹೇಳು next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
Sir, we'll subtract it, sir. We'll subtract my.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. If someone
sir,
product ಕೊಟ್ರೆ I will go with this concept.
Yes, sir.
ಬರೀ ಸಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Okay.
Yes sir, yes
So
sir.
let me change
A,
that. Okay. So let me go for AR and
ar square.
Correct?
Yes
So
sir.
what they have given us, A plus AR square is given as
56 sir.
equation 1 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಈಗ
Yes,
what
sir.
I say is subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು A minus 1, AR minus 7, ಆಮೇಲೆ AR square minus
A square minus
ಈ ತರ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ now the sequence will be in
AP.
AP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ?
The common difference.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Sir, AR minus 7
okay
minus A plus 1.
plus 1 is equal to AR square minus 21 minus AR
Minus
plus
AR
7. Is it
plus
okay?
7. Yes sir.
Now how do you simplify it further?
So we take AR and AR. Sir, AR plus AR ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir. Minus AR ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವುದು?
AR. ಅಲ್ಲಿ AR ಇದೆ.
plus AR ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Yes sir,
Let me
yes
shift
sir.
all the terms to right side. Right. AR square ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. Minus AR minus AR minus 2 AR ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾ?
Yes sir.
Okay, what else I can shift?
Plus A ಹಾಕೋದು sir.
Plus A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ
Yes,
ಕಡೆ
sir.
ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will become 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 6 minus 21 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Minus 15 sir.
Minus 15 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's okay? Is that okay, mister?
Yes sir.
Okay, sir. So ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
Sir, A common ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ sir?
ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ A ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಹಾ.
Is it okay, man? What I have written or anything wrong? You please check and tell me. Yeah, that's okay. No problem.
It's correct only sir.
Right.
Yes sir. A common we can take no sir.
No, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ. Okay. So how much this is going to be?
Sir, it's 8, sir, not 50. Minus
Sorry, sir, ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. I said I'm checking. Okay, so 1 second. Wait ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -7 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು.
Yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir. 7 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ sir.
14 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes sir, 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
7 plus 1 that's going to be 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
8. Yes
That's
sir.
what I was checking actually. I know there's something wrong. So r square minus 2r plus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾ?
Yes sir. Equals.
Right. What else can be done, man? You tell me.
Sir, 8 ಅನ್ನ ಆಸೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ sir? Quadratic.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. After that what?
Sir, r square minus 2r plus 1 ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ sir?
ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. a into ಇದನ್ನ r minus 1 the whole square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾ?
ಹಾ, yes sir. Yes.
ಈಗ from this what's
A equals.
ಏನ 8 by r minus 1 square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ.
Yes, sir.
Let me take this as equation 2.
Yes, sir.
ಈ equation 2 ನ equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That means in place of a, I'm going to replace by 8 by r minus 1 the whole square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ further ಇನ್ನು simplifications ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Is there any students who's having any doubts in this? Please let me know so that I can help you. If not, you please make a note.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎ ಆರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್? ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ರೀಸನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್. ತಾವು ಅಟೆಂಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೈ ಐ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, that depends on the problem. Samrudh.
Yes, sir.
Why I changed it, man?
Sir, here they've not given sum and products.
Sum ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Product ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, sorry.
Sum and product of 3 numbers, 5 numbers ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ.
Yes, sir.
But sum of product ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾರಿ, I have to go with this different method actually. So standard ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. AR ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Sujal understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು ಸುಜಲ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಸಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓವರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೈನಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. AR ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ A, I need R. Okay, till I find out A and R, I should keep simplifying the problem. If you say yes, I will clear this and I will continue the remaining part.
Yes, sir.
All of you,
Yes,
please
sir.
mention fast. Everyone, please mention yes or no. At least type, otherwise unmute and say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now let me continue with Samrudh only. Samrudh, we are discussing this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ substitute 2 in 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 plus r square equal to 56 ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
What is a value?
8 by r minus 1 square. R whole square.
plus r square is equal to 56 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಾ?
Yes, sir.
Right. So 8 into 1 plus r square is equal to 56 into r minus 1 the whole square.
Yes, sir.
Can I cancel this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At the same time, can I expand this?
Yes, sir. R
1 plus
square.
r plus r square is equal to 7 into r square,
R square
plus 1
plus
minus 2r.
Yes, sir.
So 7r square plus 7 minus 14r.
Yes, sir.
I will shift all the LHS to RHS.
Yes, sir.
7r square minus r square.
6r square
Minus 14r minus r.
minus 15r.
1 when I shift it, this becomes 6.
Yes, sir.
So shall I take divide by 3?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So shall I take minus 1 minus 4?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's a quadratic.
Yes, sir.
Right. Direct baritre one step answer.
Yes, sir. R equals 4 or 1.
No.
Yes, sir. Minus 1. Yes,
No.
sir. 1.
No.
Oh, yes, sir. Divided by 2. Yes, yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So r is equal to 2, right? Or r is equal to 1 by 2.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸಮೃದ್ಧ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಕಥನೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು
Substitute
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ
ಮಾಡಿ.
See,
Yes.
ಇವಾಗ r equal to 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ if I take r equal to 1 by 2. So for
Yes.
me any one is enough.
Yes, sir. But sir, ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Okay.
In any way it's okay. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು. Okay, I got the
Yes,
value of r, man. How can I find out a?
We will substitute it in equation 1.
8 by r minus 1 the whole square ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
r equal to
Oh, yes,
2
sir.
ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 minus 1 the whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So
Yes,
can I
sir.
find the value of
8.
8 equal to 8?
8, yes, sir.
If r is 2 and a is 8, can I find my 3 numbers?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What were the numbers I took it as?
A, AR and AR square.
AR square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ numbers ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
8 or 16. And
ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, has everyone understood this? If so, no, note down. If so, note down. Okay, Doubts here as usual, you can please unmute and you can just discuss with me. Finish the three numbers, write the three numbers. It's not yet completed, okay? Write the three numbers and then just type number 12, number 11, sorry, number 11. Don't worry, Akshay. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಸ್ 11 ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಏನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Excuse me. Shall I start, Akshara?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But nobody mentioned I will come and discuss anta. Whom should I call?
ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ.
Oh yes, Mr. Shanmugh. ಅದು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. I was discussing with someone, you said your name.
Yes, sir.
Now you should come up and tell, no? Yes, man. 11th one. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
A GP consists of even number of terms.
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
ಸರ್ GP ನಂಬರ್ ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರ್. 2 4 ಅಂತ 2 4 ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ
even number of terms, not even numbers.
ಓಕೆ ಒಂದಿಂದಾನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರ್. only till 10 terms. 1 2 3
ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜನರಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಇದು. This is a general discussion. Okay, no number should be considered. Yes, who else want to discuss?
You have to take it as 2n, sir.
Yes, Patil, ಹೇಳಿ.
Number of terms you have to take it as 2n, sir.
2n. So ಹೇಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ? How do you start? What should I write? You tell me.
Then actually I don't have the textbook, sir. You just told the sentence, that's why.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay.
Sir, I'll try, sir.
Yes, darling.
Sir, we'll take the number of terms as 2n, sir. And we know also the second statement they have given that sum of 5 times of the odd terms is equal to the sum of all the terms, no, sir?
Okay.
So we can write it as T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to T of 2n is equal to 5 T1 plus 5 T3 plus 5 T5 up to 5 T of 2n minus 1.
Okay. Then after that, I will continue. Don't worry. Okay. You're almost close, but not exactly. Let me take. Number of terms are even in a GP, correct? So T1, T2 up to Tn. Please continue. Tn ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Tn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, n even ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, right? I want exactly even number of terms. So let me just take the last term as 2n. So total number of terms ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ? 2n terms ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Got it? So what they have mentioned is sum of all the terms. Let me add up all this. Okay. So this is going to be T1 plus T2 so on up to T2n is equal to 5 times sum of the terms occupying the odd places alva, odd or even, odd places ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ t2 ಆಮೇಲೆ t4 odd places, sorry t1 t3 ಅತ್ತಾನೆ odd places, so that's going to be t1 plus t3 up to where should I write? ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು? t2n ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು?
tn.
2n minus 1.
Okay,
2n
so
minus
2n odd ಆದ್ರೆ 1 subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sorry 2n even ಆದ್ರೆ when you subtract 1 it becomes odd, right? So what should I write here is t2n minus 1. Is it okay everyone? Now listen.
Yes, sir.
So this is something like 5t1 plus 5t3 up to 5t2n minus 3. Left hand side allu one t1 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ t1 t3 from the left hand side shift all the odd terms to the right side. t1 shift ಮಾಡಿ, t3 shift ಮಾಡಿ, t5 shift ಮಾಡಿ, right? So what is the remaining in the LHS? Yes, t2 plus t4 plus t6 so on up to t2n, right, is equal to, you're shifting t1 to right side, so it becomes 4t1. You're shifting t3 to right side, it becomes 4t3. Go 4 times t2n minus 1. Shifting the odd terms from the left side to right side. Is that clear, everyone? All of you please mention yes or no for this. Hey, yes or no, Hilry Vega. Come on, quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr.
Sir,
Stalin, how many terms are there in the left side? Stalin, how many terms are there in the left side?
N terms, sir.
Okay, how many terms are there in the right side?
N terms, sir.
Remember, students, total number of terms are 2n. Okay, so ಅವಾಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಈವನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಈವನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲೈಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ is 4 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, there are n number of odd terms. So the left hand side, if I apply the formula, so a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r is equal to 4 into a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. 1 minus r cancel ಮಾಡಿ, a cancel ಮಾಡಿ, right? Everything get cancelled, sir.
Sir, A will be different now, sir.
Yes, Stalin.
A will be different for both, no, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Because it is odd, that is even, sir.
So where I have written wrong, you tell me.
Sir, you should have cancelled 1 minus r power n, sir.
Yeah, okay, I will cancel 1 minus r power n. Okay, fine. Okay, then where I have written wrong? I have written something wrong. That I know, but I want everyone to identify where I have written wrong.
Ratio will be different now, sir.
Yes?
Ratio will be
One second,
Sir,
one
power, sir.
person will talk. Gagandeep will talk.
Sir, ratio will be different, sir.
Yeah, you tell me then. Where I have written everything? Okay, I have written a small. Okay, small
Sir, power, sir.
It will be AR now, sir.
Power, sir.
one person should talk. That's it. Gagandeep will talk. The rest listen.
Sir, for LHS, it should be 1 minus 2r power n. No,
No,
sir.
no. Common ratios will be same. Okay, Sujal.
Sir?
Sir, power 2n minus.
No.
Sir,
Okay.
can I try, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, in the LHS part, sir, the first term is T2. That means it should be AR. First term is AR, sir. It is not A.
Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. I know ನಿಮ್ಗೆ previous step probably ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Now let's just look here. T2. ಇದೇ T2 ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ TR ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Is that okay everyone? Yes sir, no ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್
Yes,
ಸೈಡ್
sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 A plus AR ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? I think now we will understand better. Now the first term is AR and there are n number of terms. So it's going to be AR into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r, 4 into A into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Both sides you have same number of terms. 2n term is split into n terms and n terms. Okay, right? So because of that concept, this get cancels, A also get cancels, and you will get r is equal to 4. Is this what is required for us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we got it. Hope everyone has understood. Please make a note. If there's anybody who says, sir, I need an explanation once again, please ask. These are general problems, man. Numbers, we should not take numbers and discuss actually. So it should be given in a general way. So I know some difficulties will be there. If you have a doubt, please let me know.
Sir, every time we do these type of sums, we should take splitting, no sir? T to 2n we should take every time, sir, to split.
So number of terms ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ 2n ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್ ನಾವು?
ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಈವನ್
ಸರ್ ಈವನ್ ಆಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು 2n ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್
ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ MCQs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಷಣ್ಮುಖ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
All of you note.
ಜಾನಿಂದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
No comments on this. So the only thing I say is ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಓಪನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ,
ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ 14 days ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತೆ ಸರ್.
Yes Shanmukh, you people have to get you have to go to the center. Okay, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
All of you finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it's time up.
Sir, in one
I told you take till 9:30 na sir.
It's okay Shanmukh.
Last sum will do, sir.
Sir, ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುಜಲ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾವು?
ಸರ್ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ
ಅಂತ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. 100% ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಜನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 7:30 ಇಂದ 9 o'clock ನಾನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸುಜಲ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ತಾವ್ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? PTM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್.
ಬೇರೆ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ?
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರು, ಏನು ಹೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಮಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದಾರೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ
ನೀವು
ಪಂಕಜ್.
ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ? ಸುಜಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್, ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಸುಜಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್,
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾನ್ ಇಂದ 12th ವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 12th ವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ